Hi everyone, good morning. I just finished spreadsheet class in the computer lab. I went straight to the cafeteria because I was hungry, bought some snack, and then went back to class. I was called to get counseling room, but I didn't take a video while I was there. This is while waiting for Mrs. Jayatun to come in. Melan was telling a story while clarifying something that came off of her mouth. Look at how panicked Melan was explaining it so we all believe her. This was a surprising moment for Melan because she don't go straight to class. After school, I bought sublak with Intan on BBM. I bought level 4 and Intan bought level 7. Intan also went to vlog. This is used after eating the spicy sublak. Our faces are black and dirty like bombs. See you next time everyone. Bye.